How to change crosshair shape in Battle Prime. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make different changes on it. First of all, open the application. Now, here on the right top, you can see this settings icon. Simply tap on settings. So now we're in the settings interface. Here, you'll be able to find different options. Now on the top, simply tap on crosshair. So this is the crosshair section. Here, you'll be able to add different customization to it. On the shape section, there's classic, T-shape and dot. So it's up to you and the way you want to play. So it's easier if you put on dot also. At last, you can go back and it's done. So the crosshair is automatically changed now. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.